Friends, today, let's explore the fascinating life cycle of a bean plant. Look at me on this video planting my bean plant, and watch and exploring its life cycle. This is what I have come to share with you today. Let's get started with the stages. Stage 1. Seed germination. Germination marks the beginning of the bean's life cycle. It usually occurs within 8 to 10 days after planting, depending on the bean variety and environmental conditions. Factors influeing germination include soil temperature, moisture, and seed depth. Optimal soil temperature ranges from 70 degrees to 80 degrees, 21 degrees to 27 degrees C for most bean types. Adequate moisture is crucial, but overwatering can suffocate the seeds. Planting seeds at the right depth, about 1 to 2 inches or 2.5 to 5 cm, is essential for successful germination. The first visual cue of germination is the emergence of the radicle, root, followed by the hypocotyl, which pushes the seedling above the soil surface. Stage 2. Seedling stage. During this stage, the first true leaves, different from the initial seed leaves or cotyledons, develop. It's critical for establishing a strong foundation for future growth. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged, and ensure the seedlings receive plenty of sunlight or adequate artificial light. Protect young plants from pests and extreme weather. This stage lasts about 2 to 3 weeks, with important milestones, including the development of true leaves and the plant's ability to photosynthesize, reducing its reliance on the seed's stored energy. Stage 3. Flowering and pod set. As the bean plant continues to grow, it forms leaves and eventually flowers. Pollination occurs, leading to the formation of pods that contain beans. The flowering stage is crucial for reproduction, and the plant transitions from vegetative growth to reproductive growth. Stage 4. Maturation and harvest. The pods mature, and the beans inside are ready to become seeds for the next generation. Depending on the bean variety, the time to harvest varies. Green beans are typically ready for harvest in late summer or early fall. Friends, remember, whether you're tending a few bean plants in backyard containers or managing a larger plot, understanding these growth stages will help you optimize your harvest. Interesting tips for a good bean plant. Listen carefully. Growing healthy bean plants that produce abundant fruit involves several key steps. Let's dive into the details. Choose the right bean variety. Select a bean variety that suits your taste and garden size. There are pole beans, which climb, and bush beans, which stay compact. Consider factors like flavor, yield, and space requirements. Number 1. Planting timing. Wait until the last frost date has passed before planting bean seeds. Soil temperature should be around 60-70 degrees, 15 to 21 D, for optimal germination. You can start beans indoors 2 to 24 weeks before the last frost date if you're eager to get growing. Number 2. Soil preparation. Clear the growing area, test soil pH, and improve soil drainage. Beans thrive in well-draining soil with good nutrient levels. Number 3. Spacing and planting. Space bean seeds about 2 to 4 inches apart in rows. Leave 24 to 36 inches between rows to give them room to grow. Proper spacing ensures healthy growth and prevents overcrowding. Number 4. Sunlight and water. Beans need plenty of sunlight. Choose a sunny spot in your garden. Water consistently to keep the soil moist but not soaking wet. Regular watering is essential for a good harvest. Number 5. Fertilization. Beans benefit from well-balanced soil. Add organic compost or well-rotted manure to enrich the soil. Avoid excessive nitrogen, as it can lead to lush foliage but fewer beans. Number 6. Pest and disease management. Keep an eye on pests like slugs. Provide adequate spacing to reduce disease risk. Healthy plants are more resistant to pests and diseases. Number 7. Support for climbing beans. If growing pole beans, provide sturdy supports like trellises or stakes. This helps the plants climb and prevents tangled growth. Number 8. Harvesting. Harvest beans when they are young and tender. Regular harvesting encourages more bean production. Don't let the pods mature fully on the plant, as this may reduce overall yield. Remember, a little care and attention go a long way in ensuring your bean plants thrive and produce delicious homegrown beans. Happy gardening! Subscribe and click on the notification bell icon for more videos. Like and share this video if educating. Thanks for watching.